Go everyone! Today we're unboxing a Capri Blue Volcano Scented Fragrance Reed Diffuser. So from my last video, I unboxed the candle version of this scent, and now this is the diffuser that I got. So never tried this before, definitely tried the candle multiple times, so excited to see how the diffuser smells. Expecting it to smell the same, but want to see if it's stronger, lighter than the candle. I use candles a lot, but not really diffusers. So for my first diffuser, wanted it to be this scent. All right, let's get to it. Ooh. How do you do this? Okay, cool. Yes. Looks like a diffuser lid. And that I got to open from the bottom, it looks like. CB for Capri Blue. So I guess take this off. Put the lid on. Put the reeds in. Then I'll test this out in my restroom. Great, thanks everyone. Hope you all have a great day. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Thank you. Bye.